Jake De Los Santos. I am a new franchisee of PureServe. My location is here in Balambang, Cebu City. So why did I put up a water filling station? First, I used to be an office person, but decided maybe it's time for me to have that financial independence and not rely solely on salary. So I decided to look for a business, and I feel that water is a basic need of everyone. So even though there are already a lot of water filling stations, I feel that putting up another one would still be a good business. I learned of add-on system, basically from experience. Maybe you could consider from experience. I used to be a consumer of Aquaserve. Ever since I came to Cebu in 2004, I've been using Aquaserve water, and I find it very good. The taste is very nice. The quality is very, shall we say, immaculate. It's very clear and very clean. So I decided to, when I decided to put up a water refilling station, I decided to look for the franchisor of Aquaserve. And that's why I decided to go to add-on system.
I am Sister Belen Alvina. Our business name for our water station is Antonio Water Station, but we carry the brand PureServe as we are a franchisee of PureServe. Our station is located in Borges and Ibong Street in Mapolo, Cebu City. We put up a water station last year because we wanted it to be a part of our sustainability project for our mission in the Philippines, which is to care for prostituted and sexually abused women and children. We knew PureServe because we were searching for it through the internet and through various people who know also of water business. And we choose PureServe because it is the cheapest among those that we have surveyed in terms of franchising. We were given special services like their monthly visitation to our station. The brand that we carry is very good since it really assures us that the water that we are distributing are of quality. Of course, we, like any other franchises, would be very grateful and happy for this opportunity if ever we would be chosen as among the top 20 franchises in terms of purchases. If we belong to the top 2 franchisee, and indeed we would be very happy because that would promote us as one of the very good franchisee in Cebu, and also we would be very glad in terms of helping other people consume better water and water of quality.
name is John Albert, a franchisee of Pure Serve, Maria Luisa, Balilan, Cebu City. I put up a water requisition here. Pinakita man na ako ang water. Ang tikid tayo niyo sa pagkitang ka ko water refilling station niya. Lalo na po kayo ang tubig karon. Mainom na po sa mga tao. Limpyo. So, so naka-decide po na magputang po water refilling station sa aming area. Nakita ko ang add-on sa Wikipedia. Niya ako nang tawagan. Ilang kong convince sa apila pag mag-put up o water refilling station. Niya, i-decide ko, i-decide ko sa Pure Serve. Ang masulti regarding sa after sales sa add-on, maayo kay in case of trouble, emergency, tawagan sila na sila dayon. Ang Pure Serve, maayo kayo mag-run kay 21 stage sa niya, ang tinta sa tubig, natural, lamig yun ang timpla. If I become one of the top 20, talagang happy ako kay wala akong mag-expect na maabot like one ng top 20. If I'm one of the top 2, talagang ma-surprise ako kay makadalhan na nag-franchise sa Pure Serve na ako pa ang matap 2, talagang happy ako.
My name is Eddie Go, and I am the franchise owner of Aquaserve English V. Raman, France. It was sometime 6 years ago that we were looking for a franchise business as a means to diversify our business line. So, upon thinking based on the concept that the necessity of life would be a good business opportunity, we immediately thought of water as one of those necessities. Therefore, we decided to put up one. We decided to partner with Aquaserve because of the credibility and simplicity. And upon reviewing the contract, we found out that Aquaserve provides a win-win situation to both the franchisee and the franchisor. They provide quality products too that you cannot find with other system providers. As a franchise of Aquaserve for more than 5 years now, I can say that I am very satisfied with the services they offer to us. They are able to attend our unresolved issues quickly, and still they are continually supporting us in and everything. Aquaserve is an epitome of a business offering quality products and services. True enough as what their slogan, sweet water at its purest, says, because people would always want the pure taste of Aquaserve brand, taking it incomparable with any other brand. I am happy to be chosen from the top 20 franchise because I have worked very hard for this. Thank you.